When Hulk and Superman leave Earth, they do not enter a battlefield. They enter a verdict. This is not a clash of heroes. This is a collision with something that does not care who you are, only what you are worth to the universe.
This leaves us with one final, provocative question that defines the entire saga.